not too long ago. Let me say your regional council of elders. Do you know them?
87.9 Kumasi.
Do you know them? Good. Ever since I'm a regional organizer, the only regional officer, every year I go to them and I appreciate them. This year I did something extra. Father's Day, I celebrated them. We know your lunch. We sat down at a pia coffee. Your lunch, the day, we in a maubia hamper, jaubia sokwan. And me trust said, woman to me for. Quite best in your bed, Bobo regional, near making sure you move regional forward. This is the kind of person I am. Say, regime, you will 50 institutions. Over 50. TESCON, Mranti and Baba, person who dom the new patriotic party. A gentleman at home. Say, first semester, second semester, we will call who party officer, who be MMDC, who CEO. War banning cry, because I'm being invited, they won't come. As we call no Francois. Minimum got cast show moon crying. I say ye boma the other moment. I mean free constituency. Me for last 4 years. And now constituency secretary Francois, we want you to be our leader. Because the way I was in organizers
secretary for one person so.
Yes.
Okay.
What do I say? Maybe your regional organizer training programs across from polling station to the constituency level. Me move from one constituency to the other. Eko chile ubia do my just away there. Oh yeah. My workshop for organizers, youth, women, Nasara. The ever since me who so ubia you be that say or they all organizers, 94 organizers, 94 women, 94 Nasara, youth, 376 officers on one stage. Me chairman don't go up here. Chairman, me maybe I am at the workshop because my boss Prophet Smart Sapon any a kuku dam be free Christ. So my training one more workshop more. But I'm looking at a venue. Or say, oh, come and take my place. And who ensured me be beyond Papa for Hoka. And that's the reason why me no opportunity beyond me travel with you. So I have to thank him for what he has done for me so far. What did I say?
Already made chairman.
What did I say? Oh, because one year, but okay, was some train now. What was happening? And that workshop has never been done before. It's your message partner. I want to be a servant leader. Say, Monsumame, family sister Kunyaso. The memoir, Emma Jumadieno, and Coso or regime. What you're making us say? Because look, the region needs to be more attractive again. A quite ben soon the Bema region I yet attractive view program ben you bet my your regime now sometimes we call institutions. What is the plan? Say SRC election bohuna MP before no one obia mwa woman na bia wo metimi kra a contest positions looks election. What do I say? Charlie in the no. We'll see how best we'll coordinate it well in the region.
Because what you manage there, very, very important.
Because look, Masevo and the Sampain, Masevo and the Adomako, look, with the little apprentice, Monsieur Mapomo, it's no woman. Imagine in the Afro Poma, imagine in the Afro Mensu, I'm a foot so. I will listen to them and make sure that we will make sure the region no are fun to my papa in
Dr. Francis Adomako.
I'm brushing your book,
who here?